Check it out, folks. Here it is. 1982 Corolla. Back in the day when they made these things rear-wheel drive. It's got the original engine, so it's a 3TC with a little less than impressive amounts of horsepower, but it still makes the car move. I take it for a drive now that I got the brakes fixed. Front calipers were just totally locked on. Came up with the name TLC for this Toyota Love Corolla. Cold start. A nice good old high idle, but the auto choke does work. It comes down and it sounds great once it's warm. Yeah, my camera work could use some work. But hey, it's better than nothing. Give it a little 30-second to a minute warm up. And then I take it real easy until it's nice and warm. It's got the automatic 3-speed. When I got this car, it was said that the automatic was totaled, but after sitting for 10 years, the rust, or I don't know, something brought that transmission back to life. Tried doing a donut in this thing in the safe area, and the tranny blew on me again, but after letting it cool off, I got movement out of the car. And it's a pretty rad little car to drive around in. Get my defrost on here. A little slowed up shift when she's first cold, but it's running real smooth. And there we go. Such a sweet car. It's so old school, you can just feel the love from back in the day. You know they felt different about cars then than they do now. Cars these days have no character. Unless you do a lot of work, and then it's not really the car that it was. Now, this car came with loads of character, and if you put love into it and you make it something special, it's got just a totally one-of-a-kind feel. There's nothing like it. Here we are. It's red. It'll be green soon enough, though. Get some nice enduros behind that car there. What a sweet day to be out riding. I got a nice XS 400, but the output shaft for the shifter snapped halfway down. Someone's failure of a repair job there. And here we are on the highway. Get this thing up to 80. It's not like I'm flooring for anything, but if I was, you might not know a difference. Broken window at the back, you can do that sucker making a song. That's a big 90 right there. Got the steering wheel with my leg. Yeah. All ass, worn out tires up front, but I'll be driving this thing for the next week just to find out some not about it and see what it really needs. Alright guys, Dimensions of Earth.